What's going on? It's your boy Chokoi. Yeah, that's me. Today we're gonna be unboxing Yunteng photo video monopod. This is an equipment that I have ordered and it just arrived earlier today, so we're gonna be unboxing this one, VCT-288, and to see what this is. Well, not what it is, we know what it is, what it looks like. Okay, so it comes in a bag, which is important. So let's open this up. Ooh, plastic. This looks good. This looks good. This looks good. So the Yunteng VCT-288 tag. Hang on. Okay. Here we go. So it also comes with a foam, just right here, so you can. Yeah. So this head, this knob is for the horizontal, or no, vertical. You can tighten it. This one is for the horizontal. It has 3 feet. Haha. So you can set it down. Okay, again, you can extend. Oh, whoa! That actually is. It's actually a bit tall. It's like a microphone stand, man. Another thing you can do with this, you can actually remove the feet and the head, and you can just put the head on the feet. If I can, oh, yep. Okay, removing the feet now. Removing the head. Oh yeah. And actually it's easy to screw and unscrew, so you can put the head on the feet. Accidentally locked it. Yeah. If you want, like, you're filming a video and you want the camera to be as low as possible, you can do this. Set it down on the ground, just like that. If you're shooting and you need to put this camera on top of a table, anything like that, it actually is pretty effective. So that's it for the unboxing and for the review. Stay tuned for the next episode.